So this is what a tumble dryer lint filter looks like after just one drying cycle. Running your tumble dryer with a blocked filter like this can significantly increase drying time and the amount of energy used. Let me show you how taking a little care for your dryer goes a long way to saving you time and money. Now, the most important thing to look after in your dryer is the filter. This lives just inside the door at the bottom and easily lifts out. All you have to do is empty all this out into the bin and then rinse this bit under warm water. For the best dryer performance and energy efficiency, you really want to be cleaning your filter after every cycle. If your machine has drum sensors, like this metal bar here on this machine, you want to make sure it's kept clean. A wipe down every few months with a damp cloth is enough to keep it working well. On a vented dryer, you'll also want to check your vent hose. What you're looking for are any rips, tears, kinks, or blockages in the hose. Any air that can't get through or any air escaping can have a drastic effect on your dryer's ability to do its job. So there you go, 3 easy ways to care for your vented dryer. If you have a condenser dryer, then we have a care video for that one too. To order any replacement parts like filters or vent hoses, or to book your local Indesit engineer, visit indesitservice.co.uk.